Hello friends and followers. Well, in my last video I talked about how to get the memory channels in a Ten Tec Paragon programmed into the Ten Tec Paragon I via a Python program on Mac OS. And so the problem here is when you wipe out the radio by a mistake or something bad happens and the memories get lost, you want to be able to program the memories in from your computer. So that's what's done here. There's a concept of a memory number here and a tag, and the tag describes what channel you're on. In this case, I'm on channel 19, or memory 19, 10 meters, and I'm looking at FT8 on this frequency here. So to do that, it was kind of funky. You can see that I have a list here in Python called mem, and that list has the memory channel, the frequency, the mode or emission type, and then this weird string. And this weird string here is saying 160 FT8. And why is it so weird? Well, because the way Ten Tec made this thing, when you type in a tag, you have to use these keys with the letters below them to put in the alphanumerics. And so I had to build a translation table looking at the keyboard of the radio, which kind of threw me, but I put in a manual translation table in the code here, which I simply look at. So if I want to put an A in, I'm going to put an L in, a B is an M, a C is an N. So you get the picture, and an O is that, and a Q is a question mark. So that matches all the markings here on the keyboard, and that's the Rosetta Stone you have to use to make the tag work automatically. So anyway, once that's all done, I have all these tags in here now as marked up in the correct weird ASCII lingo, and it simply works. So I'll show you how it goes. We'll program 19 memories right about now. Start the program running once again right here. And there it goes. So the program is entering just all the key sequences that you would type in as a user. It's really irritating to type all this in. All right, that's all I have. I have 19 memories defined here. So once they're all in, and if you're in the memory tune mode here by pressing the MT button, you can now rotate the tuning dial and go through the memories. And I use these memories to see if the band is open. Just kind of skip through them and see if I can hear any FT8 or WWV or CHU Canada. And it's getting late now at night. It's probably, oh, it's 7 or something, so the bands are opening up. There's WWV 2.5, CHU Canada coming through on 80 meters, FT8 on 80 meters, WWV, which is coming through on a bad filter here. Guess I gotta get the filters fixed too. Yeah, so I didn't really put the right filters in. I gotta fix that. Anyway, you see how it works. There's CHU again. WWV, 30 meters FT8, 20 meters FT8, CHU on 20 meters. WWD 15 meters, more FT8. Maybe that filter's okay. WWV again, FT8 15 meters, nothing there, nothing there. So it looks like we've hit the maximum usable frequency, the muff, and the upper bands are quiet. Anyway, that's my demo. Hope you enjoyed it. That's other program memories from Python on Mac OS and probably Windows too. Take care. Have a good day.